Welcome to A Dash of Story with Donna Lynn. This month I'm collaborating with CM Creative Crew to bring you ideas on shape makers. Be sure and watch all of our videos. You can find the playlist in the description below. Let me show you a cute title page idea using Creative Memories Jumbo Circle Pattern. This idea was originally from Creative Memories blog, and the instructions can be found in my video description below. To make this page, you'll need a cutting mat, the jumbo circle pattern, the blue cutting blade, a 12-inch trimmer, and your favorite designer paper, a repositionable tape runner, 3 different colored pens, and coordinating stickers and embellishments. Okay, I'm going to use this as the base of my layout, but what I want to do first is cut a bunch of strips of coordinating paper. So I'm going to do a baby theme. You're going to cut your paper at 10 inches by 1 inch strips. So first we're just going to cut 2 inches off. So I need 1 inch strips. Just cut a variety of those. You can use the back as well. And for some of these, you'll want to use a Scallop blade. So we're just going to flip this over. I'm going to find my Scallop blade. Open up the housing. Take the straight blade out and put in the Scallop. I need to cut this at 10 inches. 1 inch. Turn this around. So if you turn it around, your scallop will be facing the same way. So you get this nice edge instead of this. But this will work as well. So I've got one that looks like this and one that looks like this. I'm going to put the straight blade back in there so that I can do some more straights. So now we're going to adhere these into the middle of your layout. And they don't have to be straight across. Some of them can be at an angle, like a slight angle. Okay, next we are going to cut a 12 by 12 white piece of cardstock into 11.5 by 11.5. This way you'll see the background paper behind it. And now we're going to cut out our giant circle. Okay, this is the circle. And you want to put it in the middle. Using the blue blade on the inside track. Now use tape runner to adhere the cardstock frame on top of your striped background. You'll notice later in this video that I decided to change the background base paper to a dark sea green cardstock because I thought that the border around the frame needed a little bit more contrast. So I picked a few colors, pin colors that would look good. And using the inside track, you're just going to trace around. And move it slightly for the next couple of colors. so that they kind of overlap. Next, using the leftover designer paper, you'll cut 3 squares to mat your photos onto. The squares I cut are 3 1/4 inches by 3 1/4 inches, so the photos will be 3 by 3 photos. You can add a title with stickers. You can add embellishments, clusters, and you can use foam squares or just stickers alone. This title page idea will work with any theme. I can't wait to see what you create. Be sure and leave a comment and let me know your thoughts from our CM Creative Crew Shapemaker playlist. To place an order for any of the supplies that you've seen here, and for more ideas and inspiration, visit a-ofstory.com.